In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert callouts in Excel. Start by opening the Excel file where you want to add your callout. This can be any worksheet where you want to highlight important information, add a note, or draw attention to a specific part of your spreadsheet. Callouts are especially useful when you're presenting data visually or leaving clear instructions for someone else reviewing the file. Once your workbook is open, go to the Insert tab at the top of Excel. This is where you'll find the tools used to add different kinds of visual elements to your worksheet. In the Illustrations group, click on Shapes. This opens a menu with a wide variety of shapes, including lines, arrows, rectangles, and more. Scroll to the section labeled Callouts, and then choose the callout style you want to use. There are several options available, so pick the one that best fits the look and purpose of your worksheet. After selecting your callout, move your cursor onto the worksheet. Click and drag to draw the callout at the size you want. If it doesn't come out perfectly the first time, that's completely fine. You'll be able to adjust it afterward. Next, click inside the callout and type your text. This is where you can add your message, label, or note. Try to keep the text clear and concise so it's easy to read at a glance. If you want to customize the appearance of the callout, select it and go to the Shape Format tab. From there, you can use options like Shape Fill to change the background color, Shape Outline to adjust the border, Shape Effects to add visual styling, and Text Styles to improve the appearance of the text. These formatting tools can help your callouts stand out or match the design of the rest of your workbook. You can also resize or reposition the callout if needed. First, make sure the callout is selected, then drag the sizing handles around the edges to make it larger or smaller. If you want to change where the pointer is aiming, drag the yellow adjustment handle. This is helpful when you want the callout to point to a specific cell or part of the sheet without moving the text box itself. To move the entire callout to a new location, simply click and drag it. And that's it. Once you've inserted, edited, and formatted your callout, your Excel worksheet will be easier to understand and more visually organized.